Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use your Apple Watch as a remote to take photos with your iPhone. So let's do it. So here is my iPhone and here is my Apple Watch, and to use my watch as a remote just go to all apps and here we have camera remote. Just press on this. And now, as you can see, also my camera is open on my iPhone. And now let's look at the watch. Here we have some settings. If you press on these three dots, you can enable or disable the 3 seconds timer. Also, you can use the front or rear camera. The flash, you can put it on auto on or off. You can enable live photos and also HDR. Okay, and now to take a photo just press on this button, and now in 3, 2, 1 the photo has been taken. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you. The photo, you will find it in photos. Here there is. As I said, I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.